Hello and welcome to Mastering Odoo18 Accounting from Setup to Advanced Financial Management. If you're here, it means you want to do more than just learn the basics of Odoo. You want to master it end to end. Not just accounting, but also how finance connects with sales, purchasing, inventory, and even manufacturing. And that's exactly what this course is designed to give you. In this comprehensive program, we'll start with the fundamentals. Setting up your chart of accounts, configuring taxes and managing journals. From there, we'll move into advanced financial workflows like multi-currency handling, budgeting, reconciliation, payroll, and asset management. Learn Odoo18 step by step, from accounting basics to advanced ERP workflows across finance, sales, and operations. Comprehensive Odoo18 guide, designed for professionals who need accounting precision and business process mastery. Unlock the full potential of Odoo18 for finance, operations, and growth. Take control of your business processes with this comprehensive course on Odoo18 accounting, finance, sales, purchases, inventory, and manufacturing. Designed for professionals who want more than just the basics, this program gives you practical, real-world skills to set up, configure, and optimize Odoo for maximum efficiency. Whether you're an entrepreneur, accountant, ERP consultant, or operations manager, this course equips you with the knowledge to streamline financial management, improve accuracy, and boost productivity across your organization. This course provides complete coverage of Odoo18 accounting and financial management, along with integrated modules for sales, purchases, inventory, and manufacturing. Through step-by-step lessons, you'll learn how to configure Odoo18, manage financial workflows, and apply best practices for business efficiency. This comprehensive course is designed to take you step-by-step through Odoo18's accounting and financial management features, along with key modules that integrate seamlessly across sales, purchase, inventory, and manufacturing. Whether you are setting up Odoo18 for the first time, optimizing financial workflows, or looking to master advanced reporting and automation, this program equips you with the skills to manage your business with confidence. With practical lessons covering chart of accounts, multi-currency setups, payroll, budgeting, reconciliation, sales pricing strategies, vendor management, inventory control, landed costs, and manufacturing workflows, you will gain the tools to streamline operations and boost efficiency across your organization. This course doesn't just teach you the theory, it shows you how to apply Odoo18 in real-world business scenarios. Who this course is for: business owners and entrepreneurs looking to optimize financial and operational processes in Odoo18, accountants and finance professionals aiming to master Odoo's accounting and reporting tools, ERP consultants and implementers who need in-depth knowledge of Odoo18 across multiple modules, Odoo users and administrators responsible for setup, configuration, and day-to-day management of the system, operations and supply chain managers who want better control of inventory, purchasing, and manufacturing workflows. Why join this course? Learn end-to-end financial management in Odoo18, from setup to advanced reporting. Gain hands-on skills with step-by-step guidance across accounting, sales, purchases, inventory, and manufacturing. Discover best practices for streamlining workflows, reducing errors, and improving efficiency. Master localization, multi-currency handling, and automation to support business growth. Unlock insider strategies to customize Odoo18 for your unique business needs. What you'll learn: this course is structured into practical, actionable modules. Odoo18, Accounting and Finance. Getting started with COA, taxes, journals and terms. Advanced ledgers, multi-currency and financial reporting. Budgets, deferred and WIP management. Payments, invoicing and bank reconciliation. Opening balances, auto transfers and asset management. Payroll essentials, salary rules and attendance integration. Odoo18, Inventory and Valuation. Journals to inventory valuation workflows. Personalizing the chart of accounts for smarter accounting. Accurate stock valuation with AVCO, FIFO, and standard costs, scrap management, adjustments and supply chain optimization, landed costs, cross-docking and inventory forecasting, Odoo 1819, sales management, customer records, product categorization and price lists, upselling, promotions, gift cards and wallet systems, subscriptions, refunds and advanced quotation rules, payment links, invoicing and profit tracking, Odoo 18 purchase management, vendor records, price lists and catalogs, multi-country orders, RFQs and blanket orders, vendor billing, locked orders and cost analysis, for drop shipping, MTO and multi-currency purchases, Odoo 18 manufacturing, mastering products, BOMs and work centers, efficient BOM kit and order management, shop floor access, cost tracking and quality control, seamless collaboration between manufacturing and inventory, your all-in-one Odoo 18 course, configure, optimize and manage finance, inventory and operations with confidence. Thank you for watching this introduction to Mastering Odoo 18, Accounting, from setup to advanced financial management. Now it's your turn to take the next step. Enroll today and start building the skills that will help you streamline finance, optimize operations, and unlock the full potential of Odoo 18. I'm excited to guide you through this journey, from the very first setup all the way to advanced financial and business management. So let's get started. I'll see you inside the course.